today's video is just a really quick video of what I take with me when I'm going away on a long weekend trip, or if I'm just leaving the house for one or more nights. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below and don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's jump in. So I thought I would just show you what I take with me when I do go away. So I'm just packing it up now. So there's nothing in there at the moment. I just picked up this makeup travel bag. It's got a cute saying in the top, I could stop buying makeup, but I'm not a quitter, so that's like perfectly me. You can see I've used it quite a bit. It's a lot of makeup leftovers in there, and it's got a second box down the bottom, so I really like how big it is and how much I can fit in it. It is also nice and firm, so it doesn't crush my makeup. This piece here is very firm, so it really keeps the bottom compartment quite protected, and then the top one keeps the top compartment quite protected as well. And so we'll be gone for 2 nights. So I've just grabbed a little bit of makeup so far. So I'll just show you what I've grabbed. So to start off with, I've got my skincare. I'm just taking my daily moisturizer with me. I won't bring my nighttime one. I can't find my smaller version of this, so I don't want to take 2 big containers. So I'll just use this for nighttime. I'm also going to take my eye cream, so Dermalogica eye cream, because that's quite nice underneath the eyes. I'll also take my e.l.f. massaging wand. We're actually going to the country, so it is a lot colder than what it is here, a few degrees lower than what it gets here overnight. So this is nice and warm when you put on your cream underneath your eyes. It's really nice, so I thought I'd bring that on this trip. And I always bring some Cortic DS ointment. It's the hydrocortisone, so it's really good for dermatitis, eczema, for insect bites, rashes, anything pretty much. I use it for like if I have any chafing anywhere, or mainly for my eczema. When I'm having a really bad eczema breakout, I will use this stuff and it helps heal it up. I don't tend to get much eczema on my face, which is why I use this one. However, with my recent allergic reaction, I've been mixing this in with a little bit of moisturizer and using it on my face to help heal it, and it is working, so I'm very happy with that. So I won't include any of my toiletries in this. If you want to see what I take as my toiletries, let me know down in the comments and I will do a video on that when I get home. So for makeup wise, I bring my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, as always, my favorite primer. Please excuse my hair and no makeup. I've just gotten out of the shower and just packing, getting ready. We're about to leave in about 15 minutes. So I better hurry through this video. So I bring in my trusty foundation, and I've got a makeup sponge here as well. My Nikia Joy Cosmetics setting powder. For my bronzer, I'm bringing my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm really loving this one at the moment, and it really works nicely as like an eyeshadow as well. If I've posted a video where I've just recently used that, I'll link it above for you. For blush, I'm just bringing my Flower Beauty Warm Hibiscus blush. This is my favorite one. I'm just bringing this one because it works with every look that I do. I've got some eyeshadow primer. For my concealer, I'm just bringing the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. My trusty Flower Beauty highlighter that I absolutely love. For mascara, I'm going to just bring my L'Oreal Lash Paradise primer and mascara. And I'm also going to throw in my Flower Beauty Warrior Princess for during the day as well. For setting spray, instead of taking like a big container like this, I tried out the watermelon scented one in just a small one, and I've used it. It smells really nice, but it's all gone now, so I kept the container and actually pour a little bit of it into it, so then I don't have to travel with this big one. I can travel with this one instead. So that's the basic makeup. So for brushes, I tend to bring with me, I use my bronzer brush, my blush brush, my highlighting brush, and then I have this little container here that has most of my favorite brushes in it. So I'll just grab a few of them out and throw them in. So I just try and make sure that I grab a few different sizes so then I can use it for everything. You don't need too many, if I'm honest. I'm just bringing different ones just in case I need them. All right, so I've popped my brushes in. So for eyeshadow this time, I'm going to bring my Coloured Rain Safari palette. I have been loving these and absolutely addicted to this palette recently. So I'm going to bring that one because I just think I'm going to want it if I don't bring it. And then I'll also just bring my Modern Renaissance ABH palette. So nice neutrals, but it's got some like golds and pinks in there as well. So that is basically what I take with me when I go for a quick trip. So it would take a lot more if I was like actually traveling on a plane, but because I'm only going away for 2 days, I don't need too much more. I did forget one thing. I do need, I'm going to bring my little mirror with me, and I forgot some brow products. So I'll just bring my e.l.f. pencil, e.l.f. brow gel, and a little spoolie. And I will also note that I haven't popped any in this bag, but that's because I always have some in my bags. I just take like lip tint or lip oil or lip balm. So I've got like lots of these like little lip balms and things like that, and really nice ones like I've got MAC hydrating lip balm, I think it is. That one's really nice. So I tend to take those on trips to the country because it does get cold, my lips get quite chapped. Don't worry about wearing lipstick out there because that just makes my lips dry out even more. So I have a bag, like my handbag, and it's got about 4 of them in it at the moment, so I haven't packed any into this bag this time. So that is what I take with me when I go on a quick trip away. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below. It really helps me out. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and change your notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.